soon as you turn, it starts going, you cannot see it. You can check that out, right? See how I was just doing that? Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a privacy screen sent to me by Ferrito. They did compensate me to make this video just to be clear and transparent. So what this is a privacy screen for your MacBook Pro 16-inch or a 16-inch monitor basically should work on. There's different ones available. Definitely check them out. They did send this to me and it comes just like this here in a big package. It was shipped very quickly and shipped nice. It wasn't bent, it wasn't crooked at all, it was nice. So 360-degree anti-peeping privacy, which is nice. So if someone is working on your computer, nobody can see what you're doing, which is kind of the way I like personally. If you're working in the public or outside, you want to have some privacy. So this is how it comes. And I want to show you what's in the kit. And we're going to actually install it, so stick with me. So this is actually what's in the kit. You get a cleaning cloth, and this is a process behind it. I'm going to show you how to install it on my MacBook. So stick with me. It comes with an application guide. Tells you how to do it. You can go over that at your leisure, but I'm going to show you how to do it. It has an installation kit that's included in here, and this is the actual screen itself. It does come with a protective layer on each side. You'll have to pull it back. I'll show you how to install that in a minute. So stick with me with that. That is the actual the screen itself, and we'll just open this up real quick. We'll see what's in here and you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. There is a process to this, okay? So we have an anti-duster. We have some wet naps to clean the screen with. We have to clean the screen first, and this anti-dust absorbent, you can go around and clean, make sure that all the dust is off. Once you clean it, you get some guide stickers. I'll show you that in a few minutes. And then you have like a little squeegee thing to put it on, make sure you get all the air bubbles out. So this is pretty much what's in the kit. Very easy. Step 1 is clean. Step 2 is wipe down. Step 3 would be to take off any dusting, little pieces of dust that's on there. We'll put the stickers on for the guide. And the dust absorber as well. Another one here. They give you a couple of them, which is kind of cool. I like that. They give you a lot of stuff here. So there's a whole kit here. Really, it's not that complicated. Not to be afraid. You definitely can do this yourself. Shouldn't be an issue at all. All right, let's get to installing it.
So before we install this, what I want to tell you is thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. What I do is all types of how-to tech videos and all types of videos to help you make your decisions much easier. So if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. All right, let's continue finishing, cleaning, and get going.
That is the first thing you have to do, is try to get, and if it needs to be 2 cleanings, then do 2 cleanings, because make sure it's clean. That's important. Let's get a good cleaning here. So I gave it 2 cleanings. It's pretty clean. Then they give you the little anti-dust thing here, so you just want to go around it to get any dust anywhere. Just take your time, go around the whole like this. And give your screen a really good cleaning. You know, don't be afraid of that. So you're gonna see here, it says front here, and it says back. So that's exactly what you want to do. This is the top, this is where your camera is, so this is where this is gonna go on top here. So you're gonna kind of want to set it flush to the screen, and you want to use these tabs here to secure on this side, because you're gonna basically pulling it this way and then pulling it in this way. I'm going to show you. And now we want to just align it on the screen again as best as you can, like that. And then you want to just flip these over. See me do that? Just flip these over. So that kind of gives you your layout here straight up. So that's like that. And then you want to just pull this back one off. You're going to see it taking a film off the back, and you kind of want to just let it ride on the screen as I'm doing this. See that? Like that. And you want to use your squeegee and just make sure there's no air bubbles. Just squeegee it across, pull it all the way through, just like that. All right? And this should be pretty seamless. And you have to just keep, working at it, but it does work. You just got to take your time. And then you just pull off leave these stickers. Take these stickers here. Let me just show you this. The last step you have to do is take off the front film. The front film, and this comes right off, just like that. And that is how you install your screen privacy screen. Very easy to use, very easy to do. I'm going to boot it up. Just going to show you how it looks real quick. You can see here now. I want to show you after I boot up my computer. I want to show you this just a plain, and you can just see how you can see it straight on. But as soon as you turn, it starts going, you cannot see it. You can check that out, right? See how I was just doing that? That is very cool. I like that a lot. You get that total privacy at the angles. You can see how it's just blacking out. So if you're working on a document, no one's going to see exactly what you're doing, which is really cool. So definitely love it. Definitely highly recommend this item. Appreciate your time as always. Hope I showed you how to do it. Hope you learned something. And as always, I appreciate it. And don't forget to follow me for more great videos. Thanks for watching. And this is fantastic. I love it. Have a great day.
Subscribe.